Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about uncompromising security systems that leave no chance for intruders. The RAT system, short for Real Autonomous Turret. Set to revolutionize security, it stands as the world's first fully autonomous turret, offering versatile applications from paintball arenas to high-level security setups, utilizing advanced machine vision and AI algorithms. It incorporates NVIDIA jets and modules akin to those found in autonomous vehicles. The RAT system boasts remarkable adaptability, capable of distinguishing surrender gestures with precision, marking a breakthrough in autonomous technology. With the ability to comprehend and respond independently to various situations, it sets a new standard in security solutions. But what about real-time solutions for imminent threats? Enter FOGO, the ultimate defense against intruders. In just 20 seconds, FOGO releases a dense fog, enveloping a 150 cubic meter space, obscuring visibility and thwarting potential theft attempts. Setting up FOGO is effortless, requiring only 20 minutes and minimal training for store staff. Once activated, the fog dissipates within an hour, leaving no trace behind. With FOGO, businesses gain swift and effective protection, ensuring the safety of their assets. Now, let's explore the realm of security robotics. Autonomous Picard robots patrol designated routes. Equipped with facial recognition and thermal cameras, detecting and tracking intruders from up to 100 meters away. Deployed in groups, these robots autonomously monitor designated areas, enhancing security measures with their vigilant surveillance capabilities. Incorporating audio cues into security measures, Axis Audio offers a proactive approach to deter unwanted trespassers. Through voice-activated alerts and pre-recorded messages, potential intruders are promptly notified, minimizing security risks. With customizable features and comprehensive coverage across different zones, Axis Audio elevates security protocols to new heights. But what about the challenges faced in high-traffic areas like airports? Streamlined security solutions, such as the entry system highlighted in the Daily Mail, offer efficient hand luggage checks, utilizing advanced scanning technology for thorough inspection. With a focus on speed and precision, this system ensures seamless security checks, enhancing the overall airport experience for passengers. For physical security, PAT Systems Ballards provide unparalleled protection against vehicular threats, despite their unassuming appearance. These protective posts can withstand significant force, safeguarding public spaces and events from potential dangers. With portable platforms and customizable options, PAT Systems deliver reliable security solutions tailored to diverse environments. For safeguarding against vehicular intrusion, automatic tire spike killers offer an impenetrable barrier. With rapid activation and versatile configurations, these systems ensure robust protection against unauthorized access. Ideal for high-security zones, their effectiveness against vehicular threats makes them a vital component in comprehensive security setups. Taking security to a covert level, SensoGuard employs seismic sensors for discrete intrusion detection. Trusted by the Israeli Ministry of Defense, these sensors offer unparalleled sensitivity and reliability, meeting stringent military standards. With smart control features and adaptable sensitivity levels, SensoGuard provides unmatched surveillance capabilities in diverse environments. In the realm of physical security, Bradbury Group stands as a global leader in steel door manufacturing. With a reputation for excellence, their doors offer unparalleled durability, surpassing industry standards. Crafted with precision and engineered for resilience, Bradbury Group doors provide robust protection against unauthorized access and external threats. For vehicle security, the IGA anti-theft system offers a foolproof solution against car theft, with seamless integration and user-friendly controls. It provides owners with peace of mind and unparalleled protection. With innovative features like engine and transmission blocking, along with remote activation, the IGA system ensures vehicles remain secure at all times. Addressing retail theft, Gatekeeper Systems' innovative shopping carts offer a proactive approach to deter theft attempts. Equipped with locking mechanisms and long-lasting batteries, These carts immobilize outside the store, alerting security personnel and thwarting potential thefts. With customizable features and durable construction, Gatekeeper Systems carts provide an effective solution for retail security challenges. Redefining indoor security, Tanda drones offer a comprehensive solution for monitoring and surveillance. Equipped with AI technology and seamless integration capabilities, these drones provide real-time alerts and insights, enhancing security measures in various environments. With innovative features like continuous monitoring and adaptive task management, Tanda drones deliver unparalleled efficiency and effectiveness in security operations. From autonomous turrets to advanced drone surveillance, the landscape of security solutions continues to evolve, providing unprecedented levels of protection and peace of mind. In an ever-changing world, these innovative technologies stand as pillars of security, safeguarding lives and assets against emerging threats. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe in my channel.